Eddie, what you got there? Hey.
Really cool.
What is it?
A motorcycle.
How much did you save?
200.
Okay, let's see it go in a big circle.
Really?
You can use the brake. Try the brake.
How do I gotta use the brake?
Just try it.
Sometimes I get kind of scared that it's really
All right. Try to use the brake.
Sometimes I get kind of scared.
Okay, I'll stop you.